Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind cheap gas and understand its impact on engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Get ready to be informed and empowered as we expose the dangers of using cheap gas and its detrimental effects on your engine and the environment. Are you aware of the hidden consequences of opting for cheap fuel for your vehicle? While it may seem like a bargain on the surface, the adverse effects of using low-quality gas can linger long after the initial fill-up. Choosing quality fuel is not just about keeping your engine running smoothly, it's about safeguarding the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Impact on engine performance. Using cheap gas can have detrimental effects on your engine's performance, affecting both its functionality and efficiency. Let's delve into two key aspects of this impact: knocking and pinging. When your engine experiences knocking and pinging, it's like an unwelcome guest making noise where it shouldn't. This occurs when the fuel detonates at the wrong time, leading to an unharmonious symphony of sounds that can be damaging. Cheap gasoline with low octane levels tends to ignite at inappropriate times, causing these disturbances in engine performance. This can not only disrupt your driving experience but also potentially harm essential engine components over time, leading to costly repairs and decreased longevity of your vehicle. Reduced fuel efficiency. Picture your car's fuel efficiency as a well-oiled machine, smoothly translating fuel into miles driven. Now, imagine pouring low-quality gas into this finely tuned mechanism. Cheap gasoline can disrupt this delicate balance, resulting in reduced fuel efficiency. Your vehicle may require more fuel to operate efficiently, leading to more frequent stops at the gas station and ultimately higher expenses. By using subpar fuel, you're essentially asking your engine to work harder for the same output, which can take a toll on your wallet and the environment. By understanding how the quality of gas you choose impacts your engine's performance, you can make informed decisions that benefit both your vehicle and your pocket. Opting for higher quality gasoline with the right octane levels can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring a more pleasant driving experience in the long run. Engine deposits and build-up. When it comes to using cheap gasoline in your vehicle, one of the major concerns revolves around the formation of engine deposits over time. Let's delve into how this occurs and why it's crucial to pay attention to the quality of fuel you use for your vehicle's engine. Carbon deposits. Imagine your engine as a finely tuned orchestra, with each part playing a crucial role in harmony. Now, introducing low-quality gasoline into this intricate system is like throwing in off-key notes that disrupt the entire performance. Cheap gas often contains higher levels of impurities, such as sulfur and olefins, which can lead to the accumulation of carbon deposits within the engine. These deposits coat critical components, hindering smooth combustion processes. Over time, this build-up can affect the engine's efficiency, leading to decreased performance and potential long-term damage. Injector and valve build-up. Fuel injectors and valves are essential components responsible for delivering the precise amount of fuel and air mixture to the engine for combustion. When you opt for cheap gas, you run the risk of subjecting these components to a harmful buildup of deposits. The impurities present in low-quality gasoline can leave residue on fuel injectors and valves, gradually forming a layer of buildup that disrupts their optimal functioning. As these parts become clogged or coated with deposits, the efficiency of fuel delivery and combustion is compromised. This can result in issues such as rough idling, decreased fuel economy, and potential damage to the engine over time. By understanding the relationship between using cheap gas and the formation of harmful deposits in your engine, you can make informed choices to protect the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Remember, investing in quality fuel is not just about what goes into your tank. It's about safeguarding the heart of your vehicle against detrimental build-up that could impact its overall health. Long-term engine damage. When it comes to the long-term effects of using cheap gas, one of the most critical aspects to consider is the potential damage it can cause to your engine over time. Wear and tear. Prolonged use of low-quality gasoline can significantly accelerate wear and tear on various engine components. The impurities present in cheap gas can create deposits and build up within the engine, leading to increased friction and overheating. This friction can wear down vital parts such as piston rings, valves, and fuel injectors at a much faster rate than if you were using higher quality fuel. As these components deteriorate, the risk of more significant issues arising, such as engine misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and ultimately, costly repairs or even engine failure, becomes increasingly likely. Engine longevity. Investing in quality fuel is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your engine. Using cheap gas may seem like a cost-effective choice in the short term, but it can lead to premature breakdowns and shorten the overall lifespan of your engine. Quality fuel contains additives and detergents that help clean and protect engine components, ensuring smoother operation and preventing excessive wear. By prioritizing the use of higher-grade gasoline, you not only safeguard your engine against potential damage but also extend its lifespan, ultimately saving you money on significant repairs and replacements down the line. When it comes to fueling your vehicle, investing in premium gasoline today can pay off in the long run by preserving the health and durability of your engine for years to come. Environmental impact. Using low-quality gasoline can have detrimental effects on the environment, contributing to pollution and emissions that harm our ecosystems. Let's delve into two significant ways in which cheap gas negatively impacts the environment. Increased emissions. When vehicles are fueled with cheap gas, it often leads to incomplete combustion in the engine, resulting in increased emissions of harmful substances such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds. These pollutants not only compromise air quality but also contribute to the greenhouse effect, leading to climate change and global warming. The continuous release of these emissions into the atmosphere poses a significant threat to both human health and the environment, creating a cascade of adverse effects that impact us all. Waste disposal concerns. One of the lesser-known consequences of using cheap gas lies in the challenges associated with disposing of the byproducts generated during its production and consumption. The disposal of these byproducts, which can contain toxic chemicals and heavy metals, poses a serious threat to soil and water sources. Improper disposal methods can lead to contamination of soil, groundwater, and surface water, affecting not only the local ecosystem but also potentially endangering human health. As these pollutants seep into the environment, they can persist for extended periods, causing long-term damage and hindering ecological resilience. In essence, the environmental impact of using cheap gas extends beyond just the act of refueling. It encompasses a chain of consequences that affect the delicate balance of our ecosystems. By understanding these implications, we can make more informed choices that prioritize environmental sustainability and collective well-being. In concluding this video, opting for cheap gas may seem like a money-saving move, but the long-term repercussions can be detrimental. From compromised engine performance to increased maintenance costs, the impact reaches far beyond just the pump. Additionally, the environmental toll of subpar fuel is a growing concern in today's eco-conscious world. Prioritizing quality fuel is not just about the health of your vehicle, but also about sustainability and responsible consumer choices. Investing in top-notch fuel is an investment in your vehicle's optimal operation and longevity. As we conclude our exploration into the dangers of using cheap gas, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the potential risks associated with prioritizing cost over quality at the pump. Remember, by investing in higher quality fuel, you can protect your engine, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce harmful emissions, ultimately contributing to a healthier environment. Until next time, may you make informed choices that prioritize both your vehicle's performance and the planet's well-being. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.